Hello everyone. Deepface is an open source facial attribute analysis framework for Python. It offers both face recognition and demographic analysis in real time as well. Deepface module is available on pypi. You can install it with the command pip install deepface if you haven't installed it yet. Now all you need is to import the deepface framework just like this syntax, that is from deepface import deepface, and this is the interface of the framework, and it offers all the functions such as verification on allies, but this time we are going to use the stream function. Stream function uses the location of images database, where I have put in my database in the same directory as of my Python script. Let's look inside of this image database. First of all, I have the photo of Modi ji, and there is also a photo of Ratan Tata. There is another folder named Vaibhav which contains several photos of me, for example third. So deepface framework detects the face with these photos and return the most preferable candidate as a result. Alright, let's just call our function by syntax python real time .py. So as you can see, deepface framework detects the face for 5 seconds and apply the facial attributes including face recognition, age, gender, emotional analysis and prediction based on these factors, and these responses stands for 5 seconds. Stream function uses the VGG face module for face recognition model, but we can change it with name module. As I mentioned, VGG face is the default model. If you didn't pass any model name in the model name parameter, the VGG face name. Alternately, you can use FaceNet, or we can use open face model for face recognition, and the deep face model for deep face model. So in today's video we have mentioned how to apply facial attributes on a live face, including a analysis of the face in a video. Thank you all for watching. See you next time. Crazy mother.